weather. Okay, and when we talk about the weather, what we want to know? We want to know the condition of the air around us, okay, which contains the temperature, the humidity, and the clouds. But before we know the meaning for the weather, we should also know the meaning for climate. Because there is a difference between the two words, and we should know what is the climate. Because when we talk about the weather, I'm talking about how the atmosphere and how the air condition around us, that it changes minute by minute. How? We have here an example. It was hot in the morning, but the weather changed at night. Okay, so in the morning we have a weather that was hot, but then it changed to a better weather. Okay, but when we talk about the climate, it's also kind of weather, but it changes minute by minute. No, we talk about general weather, okay, for over long time, over long period, which means for many years. Like the example here we have, Egypt has 5 climates all over the year. Egypt has 5 climates all over the year. Okay. Sorry. Then, what will we talk about? So, we know now the difference between the weather and the climate. The weather, we talk about the air condition, okay, that changes minute by minute, okay, but the climate is the general weather, okay, for many years, for an area. Now, we want to know different conditions of the air and the atmosphere around us. But any conditions? No. We will talk about extreme, and the meaning for extreme is severe, violent, and dangerous. Oh, so we will not talk about any conditions. We will talk about the extreme ones, the violent ones, the very dangerous ones. Yes, that's what we are going to talk about. And what are those very difficult and dangerous conditions? We will know. Yes, you see this picture here in front of you? What? Oh, we have the word flood. What is flood? We have a photo here, okay, for overflowing water everywhere. This is overflowing water. What do you think the reason for this overflowing water? Exactly, yes, is a torrential rain, the heavy rain. So it means that the rain it rained heavily, okay, in a torrential way. And the torrential means very heavy. So the oversupply, the overflowing of the water goes over, yes, over the houses, the cars, and everything around it. That's what we call flood. So flood, okay, the meaning for it is the overflow water, and also we have the word torrent, okay, as we said, torrential means very heavy or very flowing, okay, heavy flowing, oversupply. And also we can use the word, here flood is a noun, we use it as a noun, but also we can use it as verb, okay, you see that the heavy rain flooded the city, okay. Here we have another example for the flood is the torrential rain caused the flood that damaged the village. Why it damaged the village? Because the overflowing water goes over the houses, the cars, the buildings, and everything around them, which made this damage. And why we used the word torrential? Why we didn't use any other word? Because the word torrential is kind of collocation word, and it means overflowing. Okay, next. Yes. What is this picture for? Yes, tornado. What is a tornado? As you see here, we have a column or something like a rock. You know the rock? Okay, something like a rock, and it moves like it's twisting, moving like a circle, twisting. What is twisting, or how it starts. Actually, this tornado starts, okay, when the cold air, okay, around us joins with the hot air. But the cold air pushes the hot air down, okay? And when this happens, this causes very big storm, okay? And this storm means what happens then? This storm touches the ground. So we have a connection between the clouds, okay, the wind, the strong wind, okay, the strong wind, and then the ground. So those all three, okay, joined together made the tornado that moves like sweeping, taking everything around it. Sorry? You say, so, tornado, it's what? It's wind. But any wind? Any wind? No. Violent or severe. Violent, as I said in the beginning, okay, we have the word violent or severe, dangerous, okay. So we have violent, it's a kind of violent wind storm. What else? And it moves, as we said, in a funnel shape, okay, like a twister, okay, in a round shape, takes everything around it, houses, cars, whatever. Okay, so a rotating column, yes, a rotating, making, okay, like it rotates, like how the earth or the sun, how everything is rotating, going around. So it's like a rotating column, okay, and as we said, the clouds, okay, contact with the wind, the storm, and then the ground, okay. As I said also, we have the cold air pushing the hot air, okay, and then causing the water, the very big storm that connects with the ground and make this column. Okay, what next? Okay, we have an example. What is that example? Yes, many cars were flown. How the cars will be flown? This is maybe a fly, flew, flown. How the cars will fly? Okay, they were flown in the air causing the tornado. Yes, it's a column of wind, strong wind. Okay, this is strong wind. Okay, it's twisting, sweeping, moves in a circle, taking everything, cars, houses, and when it takes them, it's not like moving with them in a circle, okay, like we see how the cars are flying in the air, okay, that's why we said, we're flown in the air. What next? Yes, typhoon. What is typhoon? It's another kind of tornado, is it? No, the typhoon is different. Typhoon is different. As I said, in the tornado, it starts with how the cold air joins with the hot air. But we don't have any rain. But here it starts with heavy rain, torrential rain. And this heavy rain and torrential rain, okay, goes down, okay. It connects also with the strong wind, okay. So the heavy rain and the strong wind, okay, they mix it together, and when they mix it together, as we said, the heavy rain, so it starts in the sea, it starts in the oceans, okay, with the heavy or torrential rain, connects with the strong wind, okay, which made what? Hurricanes or cyclones. How again? Typhoon is different. It doesn't connect, as I said, in the tornado with the ground. No. It starts with the heavy rain, it goes down, mixed with the very strong wind, okay, that made this typhoon, okay, that happens in the sea or in the oceans, okay, and made this typhoon. And this typhoon then went out, okay, and in a circle way, on a cycle, hurricane, out to the earth. Out to the earth. So, typhoon, I can also say cyclone or hurricane. Okay, as we said, okay, it's a coupling part, strong wind and heavy rain. So they mix together. Okay, yeah. How? The strong wind and the heavy rain. Then what happens? As we said also, it starts in oceans that can cause hurricanes. How? Hurricanes on the land. So it started in the oceans. Okay, yeah. Very heavy rain. Okay. Very strong wind. Okay. It goes over and over and over and over till it comes out on the land. Okay. And make a kind of cyclones and hurricanes. Okay. Like the water goes out to the seas, okay, out to the houses, or this very strong wind went out of the sea, okay, out to the houses and took everything with it. Okay, so this is the typhoon. This is the typhoon. Yes. What did that picture for? Yes. We see snow. Snow is covering the trees, the roads, the cars. What do you think? Is it normal snow? Is it normal snow? No. This is very strong storm. Very strong storm. Or very strong snowstorm. Okay? This very strong snowstorm. Okay, yeah? Made blizzard. Made blizzard. So, what is blizzard? Yes. It's a very strong wind. Okay, sorry, snowstorm. Okay, it's a very strong, snowy storm. Okay, this made this blizzard. Okay, and as you see, this caused snow everywhere, blocking the roads. Okay, and blocking the ways in front of the cars. Okay. Okay, so it's a heavy, snow, it's very strong snowstorm and strong winds. So we have storm, very strong storm, okay, it's a snowy one with wind. So the strong storm, that contains snow with the wind, mix it together, made the blizzard, okay? So we can say the severe or the violent snowstorm. Can I say torrential here? Can I say the torrential snowstorm? Do you think? No, I can't say that. I can't. Why? I only can say severe or violent. Because as I said, torrential means flowing. Okay, so it means water. Do we have any water here? No, so I can say torrential. Also, I can say heavy. Because also heavy we say for the flowing things. Okay, so I can say heavy and I can't say torrential. I only can say severe or violent. Snowstorm. Flooded the roads and the cars couldn't be moved anywhere. The cars couldn't be why? Okay, where the snow was everywhere. This snowy storm with the wind made this blizzard. Oh yes, it's different now. How? Oh, we find very dry land. It's wet or dry? No, it's a dry, very dry. Very. Could we find any plants? Why we couldn't find any plants? Actually, yes. How we will find plants and we don't have any water? It's a lack, poverty. It's a lack of water. Okay, dryness. So we have dryness. And this dryness, what do you think? Okay, it's hard with what? Actually, yes. It harmed the plants and the crops because we don't have water. Okay, the very important thing for the plants, to be grown. We don't have it because of the drought. The dries. Okay, dry land, very dry land. The damage, okay, the soil or the land, okay, it's very dry, it's not suitable, okay, we don't have water, enough water, we have lack of water, that means this drought, dryness, this drying, the damage, the crops and the growth of the plants. You see? So, it's just not a time, okay, it's a time, because we don't have rain, yes? That time, what caused the drought, okay? There is no rain, okay? When there is no rain, what happens? The land, okay, it's dry, time by time, okay, and at this period, then it's caused drought. Okay, so what's drought is shortage, okay, lack, poverty, we don't have this thing, we don't have it. So the period of dryness, it causes great damage to the crops and the plants, okay, how will they grow and we don't have enough water? How? Okay, here, the drought, do you think we can say torrential? Oh, how will say torrential and already we don't have any water? So I only say severe, as I said in the beginning, the severe, okay, the severe drought. Okay, can I say the strong drought? No, I can't say strong drought because I only can say strong for the wind. Already the wind is strong wind, high wind. Okay, so we also say, but here I can say severe drought. I can say torrential, I can say strong. Okay, I say severe or violent. Okay, drought destroyed the plants. Okay, because of what? The dryness or the don't have enough water. Actually, it's very dry. Oh yes, what do you see here? Yes, sand. Only sand. Okay, but is it on the land, down on the ground? No. It's a very strong sandstorm. Very strong sandstorm. All of the strong wind, okay, it chases the sand from the floor, from the land, okay, it took it away, okay, but it's windy, okay, so it took it away and fly with it and made the sandstorm, okay, the sandy wind, it became like a sandy wind, And we can imagine, if you are in a place like that, and you are driving your car, riding a camel, what do you think you should do? What you should do? Do you think you get out of the car? Do you think so? Of course not. You will not be able to see anything around you. It's very stormy, very windy, and at the same time, full of sand, very sandy. Your vision, you don't have a good vision for anything around you. Okay? That is for in the car. What about if you are riding a camel? What is the right solution or the right thing to do? Is to hide yourself behind the camel. Because already camel it lives in this kind of environment. Okay? So the camel knows, or the camel, okay, can live in a weather like this. Okay? Can face it. Okay, so you stay behind this camp, and that's what you should do if there is a sandstorm, or as I said, it's a sand wind around you. Now, yes, it's a stormy wind, okay, sandy, very sandy, carries sand, okay, and dust. So they stopped for example, they stopped their car and stayed inside because of the sand. That made them not able to see anything. It was only sand around them. All the atmosphere around them is only sand. Covered everything around them. Okay? So they were unable to see anything from the dusty weather around them. So those were, okay, the different conditions that we talk about today, the different extreme conditions. Now, we have some exercises. Okay? Number one, blizzard is a severe, violent, what? Sandstorm, dust-storm, or snowstorm? Yes, it's a sandstorm. Ooh, yes. No, it's not a sandstorm. It's snowstorm, as we said. It's a snowy storm. It's a snowy storm. Okay. Number two, among the other names of the typhoon. Oh, what we said about typhoon. Also, we can call it what? Hurricane. Actually, yes. Number three, when water increases in rivers and overflows, it called. What do you think? Yes, flood. Overflowing. Number four, you space, okay, drive your car in the blizzard. What do you think? There is a snowy storm around you. What do you think? You should or you shouldn't? Or you must drive your car? Of course, you shouldn't drive your car. Number five, the condition of the air and the atmosphere and it changes minute by minute is, yes, the long term. The long term? No, this is the climate. Generally, for years. But whether, yes, that it changes from minute by minute. Next. The space tornado damaged the houses. Can we say the high tornado? No. I can't say the high wind. Also, I can't say a torrential tornado. No, already you don't have any kind of water in the tornado because torrential, we only use it, okay, for the thing that is flowing, torrential rain, okay. So we say severe or violent, severe. The next one, the space typhoon, the accompanied by heavy rain. What do you think? I say the violent typhoon, or the heavy typhoon, or the strong typhoon? Yes, actually, I say the violent typhoon, because already it's accompanied by heavy rain. Okay, so I say the violent, because it's very, very violent or very extreme. I hope that you understood this lesson, and thank you for your